Well, hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So you may have been thinking about how much do small YouTube channels make, or I want to start my own YouTube channel, but it just seems so difficult. Well, I've hit a milestone. I just started monetizing my very small YouTube channel about a month ago, and we're going to talk all about it. I'm going to show you what you need to do to grow your YouTube channel. We're going to talk a little bit about everything, but first let's go ahead and look at some analytics. What does YouTube require for you to start your monetization? Okay, the first thing you need is let me just shrink myself. Let's go to my analytics. The first thing you need is to have, and this is as of November 2019, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and I'll talk about how I generated 1,000 subscribers, but you also need to have 4,000 watch hours. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to figure that out. You go onto your analytics and you click on see more, and then you're going to just do a simple math equation. You can do it right on your calculator, and you're going to figure out how many watch hours that you have. So I'm just clicking this on, and let's see if that works. Okay, and so you're going to go ahead and go to, as soon as this loads, you're going to go over to your watch time in minutes, and in the upper hand corner, just click on 365 days, because you need 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days. So as you can see here, they give it to you in minutes, so you need to just do that simple calculation. 264.88 divided by 60 minutes. Just divide that number by 60. It'll give you the hours. So my hours in watch time is 4,341. Okay, I have about almost 1,300 subscribers, so that's great. And let's go ahead and go back to the analytics, because I want to show you exactly how much I made. So I'm going to go to my it's analytics, and then I'm going to click on, since I started monetizing, we're going to go to revenue. Okay, so I started monetizing, we won't count the first day, it was just on September 19th. Today is the October, it's the 22nd, so just a little over a month. As you can see, my estimated revenue is about $95. I know you're probably like, well, that's not a lot of money, but hey, you've got to think long-term play when you're playing the YouTube game. What you need to do, guys, is be consistent in your posting of your content. That really was the kicker for me. When I started my YouTube channel, and I'm a 51-year-old mom with a high-functioning autistic daughter, I am speaking about business, and I generated, this 1,300 subscribers just by being consistent. And the first year, I wasn't. I think I did just a handful of videos. But in the past year is when I started seeing things happen. So just a couple of tips. If you're just starting out with your YouTube channel, pick something that everyone is really passionate about. Think about your passion and couple it what other people are looking for information. How-to videos are great. My first YouTube video now has 14,000 views, and I was simply reviewing a course that I took. So think about what people want when they come to YouTube. They want information, how to do something, or how you did something. And also, just be consistent. I don't have any expensive equipment. Everything is through my laptop, and that's it. And maybe down the road I will invest in some expensive equipment, but not right now. I just open my laptop and I start recording. And you will get your tribe, is what we call them in business. Just keep being consistent, great content, be honest. Don't try to be someone that you're not, and be helpful. I'm telling you, that's how you can grow a channel. So this is the revenue, but this is not going to stay here. There's a snowball effect when it comes to YouTube. If I continue, and I only do one YouTube video a week now, when I have more time coming up, I will be doing at least 2 to 3 videos a week. So my revenue is going to be double, triple, and in 5 years, my plan is to make thousands a month of passive income on YouTube. But you can't look at it as like a 6-month play. You've got to go think bigger and long term. So whatever your niche you're in, there are people looking for your information. Okay? So I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you go ahead and, if you did like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. I talk a lot about just really business in general, online businesses. I am a top 1% Etsy seller, and my whole world is a lot about Etsy. I also sell on Amazon. So really just good tips for all of you when you're starting in business and to inspire you to be good and be great at what you do. All right, guys, see you soon.